If you're having trouble logging into your DirecTV account or just need a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to log into your DirecTV account on the website. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari or Edge. Next, type in the URL directv.com. This will take you to the DirecTV homepage. On the DirecTV homepage, look for the sign in button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to access the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the first field. If you don't have a user ID, click create user ID. Here you can create your user ID and register your DirecTV account. After you've done that, enter your user ID and password and click the sign in button. This will log into your DirecTV account where you can manage your services, view your bill and more. But if you've forgotten your user ID or password, don't worry. Click on the forgot user ID or forgot password links on the login page and follow the instruction to reset your credentials using your registered email or phone number. If your account is locked due to multiple unsuccessful login attempts, you might need to contact DirecTV customer support for assistance. They'll help you regain access to your account.